Hello. In this video, a new HCI technique for object-based desktop layout is going to be introduced. In this technique, the user can interact with his desktop background image to make it simpler for him to carry out different tasks, like copy, delete, grouping, and hide, by dragging and dropping icons on specific positions on the image that he chooses. Now we're going to discuss the problems that might face the user. If the user has many icons on his desktop, he might want to group related icons in a specific place to memorize it by a specific object on the background, like a tree, for example. Moreover, the user might want to hide some important files on his desktop, so only he can hide them by dragging the icons in a specific place on the background, and only he can unhide it when he needs it. Another problem that faces the user is deleting and copying the icon, as he has to use his mouse and right-click on the icon to delete it or make a copy of it. Another problem that faces some users that they like the view of their background images and the icons ruin the view for them, especially if they have a lot of icons on their desktop. So now we're going to discuss how our techniques solve these problems. For the grouping, the user drags the icon towards the stem of the tree, and the icons will be aligned around the tree as if they are the tree's leaf. As for the hide technique, the user can drag an icon to the top right corner of the screen, and it will be hidden immediately, and to unhide, he clicks on that specific place to unhide the icon. As for deleting an icon, the user can immediately drag the icon in the pond to get rid of this unwanted icon. And as for copying an icon, he can drag the icon towards one of the two identical trees. The icon will be cloned to the other tree. And as for the background view, the user can make the icons transparent so that he can keep the view for his background just by dragging the icon towards the sky. Now this is a demo for our techniques. Suppose that's the user's background, and these are the icons he's going to try these techniques on. For the first technique is grouping. It's going to be like this. The user drags the icon towards the leaf stem and it aligns. The second technique is hiding an icon like this. And to unhide it, he just clicks again on this specific position. Now if the user wants to delete an icon, he just throws it in the pond. Now the user, if he wants to copy an icon, he drags it to this tree. And a copy of the icon is on the other tree. As for the last technique, if the user wants to make an icon transparent, he just drags it in the sky here. It becomes transparent. And to make it shown again, he drags it out of the sky. Yes. Thank you.